Welcome to the Peeves Tips and Tricks, a holistic lifestyle channel, part of the Holistic Collaboration series, and I am Sherry Bainbridge. So yesterday, under a great amount of stress, I did a meditation for myself. And I thought, I'm going to share this with you today because I love it. It's fabulous. And I do this in a variety of forms. Now you can do this just in your mind, or you can actually do the actions. I enjoy drama, so I like to use my hands and have visuals and all that good stuff. Now today, this meditation, what I'd like you to do is ensure that you are in a safe place. This is only going to take a couple of minutes. And what we're going to use for this meditation is God's breath. Energy's breath, life force breath. Right? Without breath, no life. The wind is God's breath. I gotta tell you, before that concept, that idea, I didn't like the wind. Now I embrace the wind. Part of what holistic health thinking does. Adaptable, flexible thinking. When it's not working, alter it. Always in truth. Always in truth, but you alter it. I would like you to take a nice deep breath. Hold it a moment and release it. Hold that a moment. Breathe again. Hold it a moment and release it. One more time. And I want you to take the energy around you and begin swirling it, intending only pure positive energy. Now we're bringing in love. We're bringing in God's breath throughout our body. Now we're going to take all that negativity and we're throwing it out. Now I want you to flip it out, people. You have an aura, by the way. And in case you're curious, here's my aura several years ago, just for the fun of it. See how big that is? Everyone has this. Lots of energy around you. In Reiki, when you fluff the energy, it's called, it's wonderful. So this is doing the same thing. So make sure you're getting it out, and in, right? So here we go. Now what I would like you to do is to take your wonderful healing palms, and I want you to put them over your eyes. And I want you to visualize in your mind, you're taking a wonderful beam of light, and you're bringing it down from your ultimate beginning of life source, and bring it through your crown chakra, all the way down the torso, down past your feet, and deep into Mother Earth. Only the positive, loving, supportive part of Mother Earth. And you bring that energy right back up, slowly through those lower chakras. As this energy is coming through, it's purifying and it's cleansing you. Now take your hands and let's draw a heart right in front of us. And you're going to take this heart, and you're going to put it around you. You're to carry this heart with you all day long. It's pure love. It's to protect you, to give you a moment of clarity, calm you down, balance you, to help you be a little more aware of the moment you are in. This also is an excellent form of blocking the energy of difficult people or a difficult situation. You still have to deal with these people, but you don't want their energy to affect your energy. So when we do this, you're going to carry this heart with you all day long. And throughout the day, toss a little to somebody. You may find it silly. I find it fun and exciting. And life has to be, or why live it? If this is the material you're interested in, please let YouTube know I'm here. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this short meditation and that it makes a difference for you. Please let me know where and when you've used this and how it helped you, or even share your own unique short meditations that can aid in making life a little easier, keeping out what we don't want in our energy, because the idea is eventually to become incompatible to the energy you do not want. Thank you for joining me. See you next week, everyone. Namaste.